Abengoa Bioenergia Brazil S.A. became the latest Brazilian sugar and ethanol producer to file for bankruptcy protection following the country's economic crisis and a slump in commodity prices. The company, a unit of Spain's Abengoa S.A., requested judicial protection in a court in Santa Cruz das Palmeiras municipality, São Paulo state, it said in an emailed statement Tuesday. Its bank debt was $837 million reais $265 million as of December. The move followed unsuccessful attempts over the last 19 months to attract outside investors and restructure its debt. Abengoa Bioenergia also cited Brazil's political crisis and a lack of credit as contributing factors to its bankruptcy. The company runs 2 mills with a combined capacity to crush about 7 million metric tons a year of sugarcane in São Paulo state, and it had been in advanced talks to sell them to EFET, a United Arab Emirates-based investment firm controlled by Pakistani investors. Those negotiations ended in May after fiscal, labor and operating issues made a deal too risky for EFET, people familiar with the matter said at the time. The company has serious issues, and will face many difficulties to raise credit and continue to operate in the next season, said Leandro Chiaratino, a lawyer representing sugarcane suppliers who are among the Abengoa Bioenergia's creditors. Finding a new operator for the company's mills is necessary to keep them running, he added. The assets should be put for sale as soon as possible under the recovery plan. Glencore deal about 50 sugar and ethanol mills in Brazil have closed and around 70 have filed for bankruptcy since 2011 as a slide in domestic sugar prices combined with a cap on fuel prices eroded profits and led to defaults. Some companies have used bankruptcy protection to sell assets. Raízen Energia S.A., Brazil's largest sugar company, completed its acquisition of 2 bankrupt units from Tonon Bioenergia S.A. earlier this month. Glencore plc bought bankrupt sugarcane processor Unialco S.A. for $348 million reais in February. Seville-based Abengoa filed for preliminary court protection in late 2015 following a failed attempt to raise capital as it buckled under about €9.4 billion $11.1 billion of debt built up over years of expansion. Some of its other subsidiaries around the world, including its utilities arm in Brazil, are also in bankruptcy protection. It sold 3 U.S. biofuel plants to Green Plains Inc. for $237 million in September.